Hi everybody, my name's Kevin. We were given these filters for this Pentair 320 in exchange for this video. There's 4 in a box here. You'll see as we open this up that this particular filter has way more pleats than your bargain band filters, which is going to give it a lot more surface area to catch the yuck, okay? I'll show you when I take the old ones out. Also, this rim is made special, so it's a little bit harder plastic where it's meant not to crack and wear under pressure. Okay, so first off, we want to shut the power off to the system. That's pretty simple. Then you want to relieve the back pressure. You can hear it draining. I like to use my little drill here to take the nut off to 7/8 inch. Sure beats doing that by hand. Then you just pull it apart. Take the band off. Let this air escape. Pull that out. Pull off the thing that holds all 4 of them together. Very, very simple. You just line this up with the little grooves on the bottom. Put this little doodad back on. Make sure that this upper filter is clean. Put this guy back on. Make sure it's sitting down there on that. Put your band back on. All right. Turn the system back on. Close your electrical box because you're going to have water spraying out of this opening here in just a minute. All right, here it comes. You got a good flow of water. Tighten the filter back up and you're good to go.